Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video we will make flying birds painting. So let's start. We use watercolors and drawing paper for our drawing. A bird never wants to cage. Doing what you like is freedom. Birds and the people who love freedom have something common. They must fly freely to feel that they are alive. A human being is created for happiness, just like the birds is created to fly. Dare to dream, dare to fly, dare to be the ever chosen one to touch the sky. Today I'm giving 5 things for your healthy lifestyle. Inspiration for healthy plus positive life. Find your motivating factors. To find out truly motivates you, ask what's motivating you. Sit down, get paper and pen, figure out what motivates you. Find the time management for free days. Write down the time journal. How much time spending on social media and on phone. That time you used it to other things, for cooking, for exercise, for meditation. Cooking, make cooking for more enjoyable. For healthy eating, cook meal. If you have long term health, then enjoying cooking and eat healthy food. Let go perfection. Healthy living is not equal to perfection. Find supporting things that support us. So these 5 things we used for healthy lifestyle. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press bell icon. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.